bersyukur nak keslem jong unongsan Hima.
Wat Hapdeng ke Jingshah Thang na ke Jingshah Kynthoh Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya menta ke sngi ke khatlai terik unailar kalayo opat ye ke Jingkemen harin bakalala ban yo abyang ye ke kerdan kum ke wei ni ki ars pa atli ki Skulbah ki Kynsai tam hapo gari India bat ke baningkong ki Skulbah shimet jong ke than chite lam mi ngi ban yo ye ke ni ke kerdan ye ke jingyo ye ke kerdan ke bala penkre bat lum jingtip de ke National Institutional Ranking Framework ne NIRF arajar arpusang la pen penapat ba ro menteri ke sarkar pedeng ubadai pej ye ke Pule puthi udharmendra pradhan menhinden ke sngi kala sngi ublei kum kadak jong ke jingkemen halor ke ni ke jingla jong ke Skulbah ban yo ye ni nam na kalyang ginong hikai lembat ki samla Pule menta ke sngi kila penong sendon de ke program ke bakripang ban lek kemen bar risa hapo ke auditorium jong ke Skulbah haka balawan ban don rengkat lang nado chancellor jong ke Skulbah Mabubul Haq Professor BK Das Pro Vice Chancellor bat kiwei di ginong hikai lembat ki spa ngut ki samla Pule jong ke Skulbah haba keren japang ki Jingshah Kynthoh nyam hagi ki kendiat sngi persya ye ke Skulbah na kalyang uhok ubalong chancellor ula penpau ye ke jing kemen babaro ki pat ba ke jela ki don ye ke jing it ke bakerpang ye ke Ustm kamtam ginong hikai bat ki samla Pule ki badai ki paya ki bas kem jong ke Skulbah da ke ba ongru baginong hikai bat ki samla Pule ki yo shibon ki lat ban la hikai ni rat Pule she ki wei pat ki Skulbah ha ka than chate la mi ngi henry namar ke jing it ke bakerpang jong ki yaine bat yaisa bat ke USTM Shushu kat badang ai jingkren na kalyang chancellor jong kene ke USTM ura ja umat brup ha ka bolo ongru baka thong hinang ni shakmat kalong pan penkeu kerdan shushu ye kene ke Skulbah kum ka wei ni ki san photli ki Skulbah ki ba Kynsai tam ha ka ri da ka ba benrap baka ni kam don jing satia ban kinjo lada kum ki samla Pule bat ki nong hikai ki yatre minot bat yatre rengkat
There was no plant, but how many plants? I say many officers, after few years, if you want to find plants, big trees, flowers, you have to come to USA only. This front side area, people used to come every Sunday. People take booking of our campus for shooting. So starting from Jingshah and all the people are coming for shooting here. This is the campus. This is the people's university. And we have a commitment. If you go on the other side, you will find I personally visited. And I went in Hyderabad. From Hyderabad I had another 1 hour by flight. I had gone to the Rajamandri where all varieties of plants are there. And we have spent 1.69 crores for purchasing plants of this campus. Go and see. Where is the person who can spend 5,000 rupees for plantation? This is your money. Today is Sunday. We could not get the salary of our military members. But in the other side, we are spending money for the plantation. And I am telling you, if I am committing any kind of mistake, इधर है आयरन का स्टैंड है, रस्सी हम बांध देंगे, आप इधर आकर मुझे सिरे में चढ़ा। Finish sir. I am not interested in what you are doing. If I am doing anything, any wrong, that I am only committing for my students. So this is the future of the university will grow and grow and grow. I am very grateful. Every single person in the state of Meghalaya from the faculty members who are working relentlessly. We got engaged in the first assessment cycle. While we are in private university or institution, even government university got the first cycle got the agreement. This is the university after 5 years from the date of commencement we got the agreement. And we are dreaming for A class in 2026. We will get it A class in 2026. We will get it. And with the commitment, lots of things in our plan. But it is your money students you are paying. More than 1,000 students are getting free or concessional education they are getting. But still, it is so powerful, your money is so powerful that you have built this campus. I am telling you, nobody will know when you are getting these 5 lakh students loan to this institution. I have visited from one bank to another. But last year, even we have not completed 1 year, State Bank of India came to our office and they said that how much you need. I said I need 75 crores. My chartered accountant said that no, it is not possible to come up with your institution, we need 150 crores. I was very much hesitant that how we will return this money. This bank, without any collateral, State Bank of India, you know, State Bank of India is among financial institutions at the top. They have, without any collateral, State Bank of India has 150 crores loan for our upcoming medical college. It's a very genuine time when we got this news. कहीं आप जगह से ऊपर में पानी डाल देता है USCM is a very, very blessed country. I need this satisfaction only. But we have to see our future. Are you satisfied that we must be among 200, we must be among 100? Or among 50? 50 or 100? It is possible. It is possible where there is a wind, there is a wave. How it is? Our faculty must be punctual. Not punctual, super punctual. If this class starts at 9, you have to reach it at 8. Okay? And students will be coming after 9. Then students must reach at 7. Okay? And library must be occupied. The complaint must reach to the chancellor that there is no free space. Then you will enjoy the university will be better than you. You will find among 20 universities, there are 5, 6 private universities. Oxford is a private, MIT is a private or government. Cambridge, these are all private universities. We can make it. We can make it here. We are just like bubble of water. But this institution will remain. This plant will remain. This plant will produce fruits. So, students who are coming for 2 years, who are coming for 4 years. One thing that you have to make your career shiny. Another thing when you will be making shiny, when so many candidates will be shiny, you will find that entire home is shiny. So once students are shiny, this university will go. So we want to say that we from the top management we have a vision. And all these things are happening because of a small team of faculty members. They are from humble background and they are working with a less salary. Many faculty members are now they are getting lots of invitations from other private universities and they are not doing it. Because they had an intention, they had nurtured this belief from last 10 years. State existence. This is one of the blunder I made in my life because I was depending on the student fees. If I had done any mistake that I took loan because this is project of this size, if student money is not enough, so I am worried that how this money should be returned and how we can survive, how we can pay a very decent salary to our faculty members. have especially invited our housekeeping staff who are sitting here. जो लोग सुबह से शाम को साफ करते हैं, and this way I give the recognition that it is one of the cleanest temples. The people who are working in the temple, I have seen some of the housekeeping staff, they carry a separate bag. When they are moving in the road, campus road, they carry a separate bag. Why you know? They use this bag as a dustbin. They use this campus because I used to spend my time with them. In law के साथ my time खर्चा लगता. And some of the housekeeping staff are so motivated. They got my idea. They understand के साथ cleanliness को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. And they carry a small leaf, dry leaf, which is falling down every time. I have seen in front of the tree block. They carry it and put in their bag. This is the way this university is coming. You have seen, I am aware of all politics. I am looking a religious man, but I am very much away from the all religious activities. Only I see the student face. That the students, the parents, we don't have, we are waiting for our approval. But the parents, they say that our student got selection for MBBS. But if this institution comes, we want to put our children here in your medical college. And if need money, we will give all 5 years courses fees to your institution. Please will come up with the institution. This is where people laugh. It is people's love and affection. Every children's parents, it is not that they are paying fees. It is always giving attention to this institutional role. They are the partner. I cannot mention the name of many parents who can be affected during a financial problem. They pay the entire fees. They give credit to us. And this year, this institution is growing. No bank has given loan. We never received any donation. We never visited anywhere. Once I went to a few of my friends, they are working in Dubai. I had given a presentation.
And I am thinking it is all our efforts together. It is the outcome of all of you, including the students' outcome, students' placement, our teaching learning, research output, and also how the campus is looking green campus, clean and green, and how many patents we have published. Overall, I am happy to share with you that this time 11,000 universities and colleges have applied for NII ranking. Last year it was only 5,000. So among those 11,000 and in total 54,000 colleges and universities, our university has got 150 to 200 ranking. This is a great achievement. Among you, Northeast, no other private university could figure in any sort of NII ranking. This is Government of India's ranking system, and this follows the holistic approach of assessing the quality of the university and colleges.